everything changes.
Hey, good evening everybody. Welcome into the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. Today is Saturday. It's December 22nd, 2018. We're just 3 days away from Christmas, which is of course Tuesday. 2 shopping days left, Sunday and Monday. If you got last minute gifts to grab, please grab them. I have finished all my Christmas shopping, kaboom, done. So I'm gonna go out and get some food and have a drink and celebrate that the madness is over. Even though I gotta go out and drive in the madness. So we're just getting ready to head out in a few minutes. And I figured I had a couple minutes here to give you guys some of the best advice that I think I can leave you with in 2018 as we head into 2019. And that advice is an old slogan that belongs to a company you guys know pretty well. The company is Nike, and their slogan is just do it. And so my advice to you guys, as we close out this year, we only have another 9 days left in this 2018 year as we head into 2019. I can't believe it's already over, guys. It's insane how fast it went by. But my advice to you guys is just get up and do it. Whatever you did in 2018, however much money you made, however many items you sold, however many items you bought, however many videos you uploaded to YouTube, however many new clients you took on as a marketer or an advertiser, however many used cars that you might have sold as a car dealership salesman, or whatever you do for a living, whatever you do as a side hustle, a main hustle, both hustles, you got to get up and do more. One of my favorite YouTubers, Casey Neistat, if you've never seen him, if you've never watched him, please go watch his videos. Casey Neistat, it's like N-E-I-S-T-A-T. He has a video, you know, and one of his slogans, he actually has it tattooed on one of his arm, wrist areas, is do more, work harder. And so those two phrases, you know, Nike had the slogan, just do it. But I think Casey kind of has the 2018-2019 slogan more compact there of do more and work hard. I mean, he literally goes from 4 a.m. to midnight every night. And I know not everyone's capable of that, and not everyone is really that, you know, no sleep, run on 4 hours, suck down coffee, Red Bulls, and keep going. But whatever amount of work you did in 2018, there's always, even if it's just a little bit, there's more that can be done. You can do more. You can add to it, even if it's just an extra 1 hour a day. Think about 1 hour a day, 20 days a month. That's 20 hours a month. That's 240 extra hours of work. What could you accomplish? And I'm going to pull out my handy calculator here. If you did an extra 240 hours of work next year, well, if you just made $15 an hour at 240 hours, you would have made an extra $3,600 this year. What could you have done with $3,600? What would you do if I reached in my pocket and I handed you $3,600 right now? You could have had an amazing Christmas. Maybe you could have bought a new car. Maybe you could have paid off a car. Maybe you could have paid off a credit card. Maybe you could have put $3,600 in the bank in case you had an emergency. The moral of the story is there's always a way to do more and work harder. And 2019 is going to be your year, my year, all of our years to do more. I'm going to tease you guys with just a little something that I got. I'm working with somebody that I'm a very close friends with, and I can't give you guys too much information, but we've put together an amazing group of people for 2019 that our entire dedicated project that we're working on is going to be to help all of you that really want to take this seriously, want to leave your jobs, want to be full-time entrepreneurs, resellers, business owners, YouTube, social media moguls, whatever you want to do. And we're going to put you all together, and we're going to work, you know, weekly with live private Q&As, private videos, all this stuff. We're going to put it together, and we're going to really get a group of people together that want to do this seriously and want to make a change in 2019. I'll have more information for you about it as the new year comes, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe to the channel as always, and I'll get you all that information as it comes. But if you're ready to change, you're ready to make more money, and you're ready to do more and work harder in 2019, stick with me here on the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. I'll get you there. I'll make sure you're successful. I'll do whatever I have to do to make sure you reach your goals and succeed. I thank you all again, as always, for everything you've done for me in 2018. 9 more days left. Enjoy Christmas. If I don't see you or hear from you between now and then, I will, of course, be posting in case you don't come back by. Merry Christmas, and hopefully we have an amazing 2019. Hopefully you have an amazing new year, and please do check out my channel between now and then, and I will see you guys next time.